Hello everyone and dear children, welcome to Teaching and Learning channel. Dear parents, do you have curious kids and you want to make them to be very curious about science? Then today I am here with one experiment about science. Just you follow the simple steps to this floating egg science experiment with your kids and it will teach the kids how the egg floats, then how it sinks. I'm sure they will be amazed. First, we will see what are the materials we require to this floating egg science experiment. We need 3 eggs, 2 drinking glasses, water, salt, spoon, and 1 glass jar. Step 1. Pour water into the 2 glasses until it is about 3/4 full. Step 2. Carefully place an egg into the first glass of water and see what happens to the egg. Does it float or sink? That's right. Initially, the egg sinks into the bottom of the glass of water. Step 3. Add 5 tablespoons of salt into the second glass of water. Take the spoon and stir the water continuously until the salt is completely dissolved into the water. Now what do you think if we place an egg into the salt water? Step 4. Next, carefully place the second egg into the salt water. What happens to the egg now? That's right. The egg floats on the surface of the water. What do you think? One egg sinks and the other egg floats. We shall find out the answer. How does this experiment work? Why does the egg sink in normal water but float in salt water? The answer lies in the density of the water. When we add salt to the water, then the density of the water will change. The density of the water will increase when we add salt into the water. Adding salt means we are increasing the mass of the water. So, inside the salt water, we can see more mass per unit volume, but inside the normal water, we can see the less mass per unit volume. Any object sinks into the water if its density is higher than the density of the water. Any object floats on the surface of the water if its density is lesser than the density of the water. The egg will sink into the normal water because the density of the egg is higher than the density of the normal water. Density is a measure of the mass per unit volume. When we add salt to the water means we don't really change the volume of the water, but by adding enough salt, we increase the mass of the water. So the density of the water will also increase. So the density of the salt water is higher than the density of the egg. That's why the egg floats on the surface of the salt water. If we try to push the egg down inside the water, then the egg bounces back to the surface of the water. If you further push it down regularly, then the egg will also bounces back to the surface regularly. What do you think about the egg? Why it is always trying to float? What is the reason? Because the salt water is applying force of buoyancy. That means it pushes the egg up to the surface of the water because of its higher density. This force of buoyancy or buoyant force acts vertically upwards against to the gravity. That is the reason why does the egg continuously push up to the surface of the salt water. Step 5. Take a glass jar and pour the water inside the glass jar about 3/4 full. Then add few spoons of salt inside this water and stir the water continuously with a spoon. You have to stir the salt continuously until the salt is completely dissolved. Now take an egg and place it inside the jar carefully. Now see what happens to the egg now. As it is salt water, the egg floats on the surface of the salt water. Now you add little bit of normal water into this glass jar and watch carefully what happens to the egg now. If you are very careful, you can see that the egg float between the fresh and the salt water. When you try to push the egg down to the bottom of the glass jar, then it will not stay at the bottom of the glass jar. Again, it will float in between the normal fresh water and the salt water. What is the reason? How does it work? The reason is the egg is denser than the fresh water or the normal water, then it causes the egg to sink inside the normal water. You can see the normal water is present at the top of the glass jar, and at the bottom of the glass jar, salt water is present. So the egg floats on the surface of the salt water. That is the reason the egg floats in between the normal fresh water and the salt water. This is about an interesting floating egg science experiment. I hope kids will try and enjoy this experiment. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching this video.